Okay, to hook up another DirecTV receiver to the satellite dish, the LNB must be removed from the dish. Then you can connect another coaxial cable. There are 4 outputs on one of these LNBs for 4 televisions. You can add more than 4 televisions, but you would need what's called a multi-switch. All you need to do is install another cable onto one of these outputs from the LNB, and if you have cable crimping equipment, you can do that on your own. Run the cable to another receiver wherever you place it inside your house, connect it to the television set, download new software and a new program number from the receiver. And you'll also give them your phone number, which is your account number, and they can go ahead and activate that receiver for you. You'll then get a bill on your next statement for an extra $5, which would cover the additional outlet fee for that receiver. But that's pretty easy to do. Of course, the dish remains stationary on the house while you're doing this, so just make sure you don't knock that or move it, because that'll put it all out of alignment. And this can easily come out of the arm of the dish. You can connect the wire through the arm, connect it to the LNB, insert the LNB back onto the dish, and then reconnect it with screws, and you're all set. Very simple to add a second to your system.